Are you a silly dog? You are a nut. Whoa. Bully go round. Here we go round, the bully go round, the bully go round, the bully go round. Here we go round, the bully go round. Roo-roo. What? Do you want to go ride? You want to ride? Do you want to ride in it again? Ooh. What? What? Do you want to do it again? 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 Alright, hey, come on, get up here. Loose. Hop up. Up, up. You are the silliest bully. What, do you get silly when you turn 11 months old? Huh, bully? Bully! What, you want to go for a ride? Sit down. Wee! Wee! Lucy! Quit chewing on Mama's chair. It's not a chew toy. Lucy. Sit. Sit. Sit, Rootard. Sit down. Sit. There you go. Alright. Whee! Whee! Alright, get down. Get out of my chair. Come on, Roo. Ride's over. Ride's over. You're out of quarters. You're out of quarters, Lucy. Go. Get in your chair. Come on. Get in your own chair. Roo, Roo. Get in your own chair. I have to stand here for friggin' hours and do this for the dog. Whee! Bully go round! Bully go round! Whee! 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 Sam! What? Bully go round. Alright, get down. Come on. Ride's over, Miss Thing. Ride is over, Missy. Go. Come on. Lucy, come on, get in your chair. There, sit in your own chair.